Looking to unlock a handy multitasking feature on your Samsung phone? This simple walkthrough will help you enable and use the Edge panel, a convenient tool that lets you access apps, tools, and shortcuts instantly from the side of your screen. To get started, open the Settings app. This is the main hub where you can control everything from connectivity to display features. Once you're inside, scroll down carefully until you find the display option, then tap on it to open them. Within the display settings, continue scrolling until you see Edge panels. Tap on it to open the feature settings. If Edge panels is currently turned off, you'll notice a toggle switch. Just tap it to enable the feature. Once activated, you can explore additional customization options by selecting panels. Here you can choose which panels you want to use, such as apps, contacts, tools, or even weather shortcuts, depending on your preferences. After everything is set up, look for a small, semi-transparent tab located on either the left or right edge of your screen. This is the Edge panel handle. Simply swipe inward from this handle, and your selected panels will slide into view, giving you quick access to your chosen features without leaving your current app. You can also adjust the position, size, and transparency of the Edge panel handle from the settings to make it more comfortable and less intrusive. That's all there is to it. With Edge panels enabled, your Samsung phone becomes more efficient and easier to navigate. Give it a try and see how it improves your daily usage. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your device.